Hello everyone, this is Toshiba quite slim notebook, the model number Toshiba Satellite Z830 10U. Because of this machine is quite old, the battery is no more functional. So what are you going to do? Today we're going to replace the battery. First we got the replacement from online, that's the one. That's the copy battery. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. So you need a kind of Phillips screwdriver. You must need to remove every single screws that you can see. Okay, so you need Phillips screwdriver, at the same time you need the star one. So let's start from any corner. Now what are you going to do? We're going to remove the back cover. It's super simple. You don't need to fight with it. It's going to come out easily. Okay, there is no struggling. So now this battery secured with few screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's open it up. Right, so first pull this out and disconnect it on the right hand side corner. That's the one. It's disconnected. That is the new battery. It goes like that. So you can connect it first if you want to. Alright. The flex is always a little bit longer than as usual. See now, it's fitted properly. This side also okay. Now we just need to put the screws back. Alright. Without closing, we're gonna double check if the battery is working or not. Push the power button. It's turning on. Alright. So that's how we change the battery for Toshiba Satellite Z830 10U. Alright, so now we're going to close the back cover. So always try from the right side, because can you see the headphone jack? Okay. Try from this side. Yeah. Otherwise it's not going to go back. The longest screws goes on the side, which is quite funny. connect this SD card. Yeah, it's turning up. So the battery is working. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Still, if you do have any question regarding this model, this is quite old anyway, but you know, if you do have any question, leave it in the comment section. I will try my best to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching again. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.